Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. First of all, let me introduce myself. My name is Aida Yati. I'm from Hikmah Banjar Vocational High School. Thanks to Allah Subhanahu wa Ta'ala who always held blessing and salvation for all of us, so that we can to be here without trouble at all. The Honorable, our jury, and all Desa Bahasa Banjar Committee. Here, I would like to tell about my dream. My dream is pilot. Do you know the job? Of course you know. Yes, maybe the job is often occupied by men. My dream is traveling. Why I want to be like a pilot? So that I can be different and really people the job. My dream is pilot. Why I want to be a pilot? So that I can be different and really people will occupy that job. I want to travel around the world and see world from above like a free flying bird. I want to be like a bird that can see the natural beauty of Allah's creation. How beautiful the creation of Creator who created the universe and its contents, and we can enjoy it anytime. On the other hand, I can also help deliver passengers to carry out their activities, whether it's work, vocation, or others. A pilot can drive a plane and carry hundreds of passengers. Therefore, it takes expertise to pilot a plane. There are many challenges to being a pilot. A person who wants to become a pilot must undertake special training in the field of aviation. Not only that, a pilot's salary is also large because it is accordance with his responsibilities, which must take hundreds of lives and must arrive at his destination safely. To make my dream come true, I am determined to continue my dream. I want to change my life, make my parents happy, and raise the status of my parents. Basically, I want to work while on vacation. Hopefully, what is my goal? Allah Subhanahu wa Ta'ala will accept it. Amin. Thank you for attention. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.